we finally got a high-resolution image of the rumored Smart Square Gshock, and this could be huge for the Smart Collection. We first reported this news about 2 months ago about a new Square smartwatch based on the patents submitted for the product. This was originally broken out by famed Gshock blog Zona Casio, where it details the smart features found in a very compact and familiar form. This new Gshock Square will bear all of the signature aesthetics of the iconic 5600 series and incorporate connected features from the more recent G Squad line. And the new product is a gorgeous fusion of both worlds that opens up a lot of possibilities for Gshock Squares. This cleaned up image is taken from a leaked image from What You Seek that reveals a lot of the rumored goodies. From the onset, we will be getting more biomass material and a new metal bezel for this new collection. The big thing about this is how the metal bezel is built into the watch. This introduces a new swappable bezel mechanic, which is great for customization. The heart rate monitor is also introduced to the Square line, which is facilitated by the optical unit behind the watch. Another game changer for the Square is the solar power module. This is already present in some Gshock models, which helps assist in keeping the battery life. This will still have a charging port that may put off some Gshock purists. This is still an amazing feature that could really extend its battery life past many smart watches. Aesthetically, this version will have minimal accenting as the polished bezel takes up much of the visual interest. Another great new feature is the MIP display that will finally debut on the 5600 collection. This has been much requested by many Square fans, and it's a great addition for everyone who likes a negative display Gshock and looks awesome on sunlight. This will be connected to a phone via a Bluetooth connected app, which brings not just the usual time adjustments and GPS functions, but also helps with the step tracking and heart rate monitor. Based on the image, the DWH5600MB will initially come in black and navy blue colorways. However, a potential cheaper variant will come in 2 other colors, which appears to have the classic resin bezel configuration. We're gonna have to wait until April of next year for this release. The connected line of Gshock will continue to expand as it now positions itself towards the Origin fanbase. This new collection pushes the Square to its next logical evolution as it now joins the G Squad. This new metal bezel structure is simply amazing for customization, and as a designer, this is something I really love. But no doubt that MIP display, which is much requested by Gshock fans, will be the best seller for this collection. Put this one on the list for sure. We finally got a high-resolution image of the rumored Smart Square Gshock, and this could potentially be huge for the huge. We finally got a high-resolution image of the new Smart Square Gshock, and this could potentially be huge. This could potentially be huge. And this could be huge. Oh, goodness.